Let's see this question. Each worker in city X is 50% more efficient than city Y. So what does it mean? If you assume that the speed at which a worker in Y is working is, let's say, R units per day, which means a worker in city Y is able to finish R units per day, then they are saying that a worker in city X is 50 times more efficient, which means if you assume that the rate at which a worker from city Y is working is R units per day, then the rate at which a worker from city X can finish the job is 1.5 times R units per day. Okay. Now, if 20 workers from city X and 10 workers from city Y can do a job in 15 days, so they are saying that 20 workers from city X, which means 20 people from city X, let's say, and 10 from city Y can do a job in 15 days. So these two people are doing the job in 15. This group of people are doing a job in 15 days. Then how many days 10 workers from city X and 15 workers from city Y take to finish the same job, right? So let us assume that this is M, that is what is asked. So see this, they are saying that a worker from city X is 50% more efficient than worker from city Y. So this is what you got, the relationship. Now they are saying that if 20 workers from X, 10 workers from Y can finish a job in 15 days, then how many days does it take for 10 workers from city X and 15 workers from city Y to finish it? So if you observe it, both these groups are actually trying to accomplish the same work, isn't it? Therefore, let's try to find out what is the total number of what is the total work or the effort given by the first group and equate it to the effort given by the second group. Why should I equate it? Because anyway they are trying to solve the same work, therefore effort is supposed to be same, isn't it? Now let's see what is the effort given by these people. Okay, 20 from X, which means 20 men from X or 20 workers from X are working for 15 days at a rate of R units per day. Therefore this is the total amount of work which is contributed by 20 people from X plus 10 workers from Y working for 15 days at a rate of what is the Y's rate? X rate is 1.5, right? 1.5 R and Y's rate is R. Are you getting this? Instead of R I had to write 1.5 R. Now this entire effort should be equal to the effort done by the other group. So what is the other group? 10 workers are working at a rate of, what about X? 10 workers working for n days at a rate of how much? If you see the X, it is 1.5 R units per day plus 15 workers working for n days at a rate of, what about Y? R units per day. So these two efforts should be equal. Are you getting this? This group is trying to finish some work in 15 days and this group is trying to finish some work in n days. Anyway, since the work is same, the effort should be same. Therefore I have measured efforts in terms of units. Got it? Okay. Now anyway there is R in all the terms. I am cancelling it out. So you can just write this 1.2 as 3, 1.5 as 3 by 2, 10, 30 into 15 plus, so 10 into 15 equal to, so 3 by 2 means here it is going to be 3 by 2, 15 or 15n plus 15n, 30n, right? So see this, 30n equal to 30 into 15 plus 10 into 15. So 15 ones, 15 twos, 15, 5, so 20. So n equal to 20, which means this group can finish the work in 20 days. Okay.